kids, I'm Amini. Welcome to Kiddzera. Today we're going to draw a puppy. Let's start now. First, let's draw 6 circles in a row. Now let's draw Puppy's face. Let's draw its nose now. Now let's draw Puppy's eyes. Let's draw a little tongue too. Let's draw 2 cute ears too. And now let's draw Puppy's body. Keep drawing, kids. Let's give our puppy a cute long tail. Finally, let's draw its small toes like this. This is our cute little puppy. Do you like it, kids? Now it's time to color our puppy. Let's do it. Let's color our puppy an orange color, its body and face. And now ears, let's color them in brown. Let's color toes in brown too. What about its cheeks? Let's color them in dark orange. And now let's color our cute puppy's nose in black. Let's color its tail in dark orange. Let's color its tongue in red. Finally, let's color the eyes in light blue. Yay! Our puppy looks so nice. Let's meet another day with another beautiful drawing. See you soon. Like, share and subscribe us.